The 3DEXPERIENCE platform is a cloud-based platform that you and your team can use to design, collaborate, and communicate. The primary way to navigate the 3DEXPERIENCE platform is through the 3D compass, seen in the top left corner. Each quadrant contains different types of applications, but the only two you will use for this competition are the north and west quadrants. The north quadrant contains your social and collaborative applications, while the west quadrant contains your 3D modeling applications. When you are added to the platform, you and your teammates will be granted certain roles shown here. The primary roles you will use are 3D Creator and 3D Sculptor. These roles connect you to the X apps you will be using to design your models. X apps, such as XDesign and XShape, are like a set of tools in a toolbox, allowing for seamless collaboration and design creation. XDesign is a parametric modeling application similar to SOLIDWORKS, and XShape is a subdivision modeling application which allows you to create more organic and aerodynamic shapes. You may hear the term dashboard a number of times in the coming weeks. A dashboard, which you can find in the drop-down menu at the top banner, is a space in the platform comprised of a number of tabs just like a web browser. Within each tab, you can see and use multiple applications side by side. These instances of different applications are called widgets. In this case, you can see an XDesign widget right next to a 3D space widget. That way you can model in XDesign and manage the files in your 3D space at the same time. You can learn more about these dashboards and 3D Swim communities by visiting My First Dashboard or by viewing our other videos. Before you start modeling in XDesign and XShape, you should learn how to save and manage files in 3D space. Learn how to navigate 3D space and tailor it to your team's needs in the next video.